Hey everyone, and welcome to American Money. If you've ever felt lost or confused when it comes to investing, or just unsure of where to even begin, you're in exactly the right place. I'm the American Money guy, and my goal here at American Money is to break down the world of personal finance and investing so that anyone can understand it. We're all about empowering you to take control of your financial future, and it all starts today. In this video, we're diving into the absolute beginner's guide to investing. Think of this as your comprehensive roadmap to taking that very first step towards building your American money. We'll cover the core concepts, why investing is so crucial, and give you a simple, actionable plan to get started right now. Before we get to the how of investing, let's tackle the most important question. Why should I even bother investing? The answer comes down to two incredibly powerful forces: inflation and compounding. Inflation, simply put, is the way that the price of things we buy, groceries, gas, rent, gradually goes up over time. Now, if your money is just sitting in a regular checking or savings account, it's actually losing its purchasing power year after year because it's not keeping pace with those rising prices. Investing, on the other hand, gives your money the potential to grow at a rate that outpaces inflation. But the real magic happens with compounding. Often called the eighth wonder of the world, compounding is basically earning returns not just on your initial investment, but also on the returns you've already earned. It's a powerful snowball effect. By starting to invest early, even with small amounts, you give your money more time to compound and grow exponentially. So remember, investing isn't just about trying to get rich quick. It's about securing your future and ultimately achieving true financial freedom. Now, let's talk about the very basics. The world of investing can seem complicated, but at its heart, it's built on a few simple ideas. First up, stocks. When you buy a stock, sometimes called a share, you're essentially purchasing a tiny piece of ownership in a company. If that company does well and its value increases, the value of your stock can also go up. This offers the potential for high growth, but putting all your money into a single company can also be quite risky. This is where ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, come in. Think of an ETF as a basket that holds many different investments. It could be stocks, bonds, or other types of assets. When you invest in a single ETF, you're instantly spreading your money across dozens or even hundreds of different companies. This brings us to the golden rule of investing: diversification. It simply means don't put all your eggs in one basket. By spreading your investments across different companies and industries, which ETFs help you do automatically, you significantly reduce your risk if one particular company doesn't perform well. For beginners, broad market ETFs that track a major index, like the S&P 500, are a fantastic and easy way to get started with diversification. All right, are you ready to start building your American money? The very first step is to open what's called a brokerage account. Think of it as a special bank account specifically designed for your investments. The good news is that today, many reputable online brokers have made this process incredibly easy and user-friendly. Some popular options you might want to research include Fidelity, Vanguard, and Charles Schwab, just to name a few. Here's a simple step-by-step guide to get you started. First, research a few well-known online brokers. Look for one that has low fees and a platform that seems easy for you to navigate. Once you've chosen one, simply follow the on-screen prompts to open an account. This will involve providing some basic personal information. Next, you'll want to choose your account type. For long-term investing, definitely consider a tax-advantaged account like a Roth IRA or a traditional IRA, as these offer significant tax benefits and are excellent for retirement savings. Then, you'll link your personal bank account to your new brokerage account so you can easily transfer money in to invest. And finally, fund your account. The great thing is you can start small. You don't need thousands of dollars to begin. Even starting with a modest amount and increasing your contributions over time is a fantastic strategy. The most important thing is to just take that first step. Here's a quick bonus tip. If your employer offers a retirement savings plan like a 401k, make sure you're taking full advantage of any employer matching programs. This is essentially free money that your employer contributes to your account based on your own contributions. It's an incredible benefit you don't want to miss out on. So there you have it, the absolute beginner's guide to investing. Remember, the best time to start investing was yesterday. The second best time is today. Don't let indecision or fear hold you back. Start with a broad, low-cost ETF, aim to automate your contributions if possible, and watch your money grow over the long term. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What are your biggest questions or concerns about investing as a beginner? Leave them in the comments section below. Your questions will help me create future blog posts and videos right here on our American Money YouTube channel. So be sure to check us out and hit that subscribe button for more tips and insights on your journey to financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.